Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Located on the 21st floor of a sleek glass tower in the heart of Tribeca, Warren Street apartment by Crina Arghirescu Architecture reflects the homeowner's affinity for bold color, classic design, and sculptural pieces. Drawn to vibrant, emotive design, the homeowner enlisted Crina Arghirescu Architecture to redesign the 220 square meter apartment. The client's vision aligned with Rogard's artistic approach, summed up in a brief that any designer would relish: "The bolder and more vibrant, the better," says Rogard. The homeowner's unique perception of color also helped shape the design. Being partially colorblind, he responds to pure, vivid hues, bright blues, reds, and yellows.